This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST251 VFK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 28 feet 4 inches in length and features a chocolate interior, sleeps 6, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST251 VFK is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.